welcome to Ed 8. So this is a new IPO on 9th August. And this time it is a technology-based company named Cartwright Technology. So we will quickly explore the business model of the company. Key strength, future scope, risk involved, financial, IPO details. Cartwright, founded in 2009, is a platform for potential buyers and sellers to register and buy and sell used cars as well as new cars. In addition, it provides multiple value-added services like you can explore the entire details of the car and bike including its price, features, latest launch, reviews, then compare the cars and bikes, dealers and insurance-related details, and various other value-added services. So basically it provides a comprehensive solution for people in their journey of buying and selling automobiles. The company is a multi-channel auto platform provider company. It operates multiple brands like Carvale, Cartrade, Shri Ram Automall, Bikewale, Cartrade Exchange, Android Auto and Autobiz. The company generates revenues from commission and fees from the auction and remarketing services of used vehicles, online advertising solutions for OEMs, dealers, banks, and others, lead generation for participants like OEMs, dealers, banks, and other financial institutions, technology-based services to participants, inspection and valuation services for participants. Cartwright was the only profitable automobile marketplace in India in the financial year 2020. Cartwright notes that on a consolidated level, the company reported revenue of over 318 crore, which resulted in a net profit of 31.2 crore. The company has been profitable since 2019. Net profit margin is 35.90%. Operating profit margin is 18.22%. Return on investment is 5.43%. Earning per share is 19.19%. PE ratio is 84.31%. Debt to equity is 0.095%. Current ratio is 7.12%. The Cartwright Tech IPO open date is 9th August 2021 and the close date is 11th August 2021. The issue may list on 23rd August 2021. Objects of the issue: to carry out an offer for sale, to achieve the benefits of listing the equity shares on the stock exchanges. Overall, if we conclude, Cartwright is in the business of technology, where it provides the platform to buy and sell automobiles. It basically facilitates the user in the bike or car purchase journey and helps OEMs, dealers, banks, and other financial institutions in lead generation. It has a strong brand name and has its own proprietary algorithms along with an asset-light business model. Financials are looking good and future is also looking bright. Cartwright Tech IPO subscribed 20.29 times. Cartwright Tech IPO received bids for 2.75 times issue size in retail, 35.45 times issue size in QIB, and 41.00 times issue size in the non-institutional category by 11th August. But according to market observers, Cartwright IPO GMP today at 175 rupee means the grey market is expecting Cartwright share listing at around 10% higher than its issue price. Subscribe to this channel, and if you don't have Demat account, link is in the description. And if you want to read stock market or investing related books, link is in the description.